So, good morning, friends. We'll start the final paper of API 570, that is combination of all. So, how many available? We'll complete one by one. Determine the MAWP of the following piping system. At the next inspection, based on the following: design pressure 100 psig, 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Pipe description NPS 2, 80, schedule 80, A 106, grade B, outside diameter of pipe 2.375. Thickness determined from inspection 0.19 inch. Observed corrosion rate 0.3 inch per year. Next planned inspection 5 years. You can find from the table 20,000 is. So it is 2 into S, 2 SE, T minus 2 times corrosion, total corrosion. It is taken for 5 years. It is not for 1 year. It's 0.3 into 5. That is 0.15 years taken. Just put here like this. Don't be puzzled by this. 2 into 0.03 into 5. All these things are there. So finally you get 2. Cannot subtract 0.3 from 0.19. So that answer is D. That means metal locks exceeds the requirement of 5 years inspection interval. But the pressure design thickness of NPS 10 A 516 grade 65 type 22 pipe that operates at 1200 psi 750 degrees Fahrenheit. Same as you have to find. This is 13900, but 1200 into 10.75 divided by 2, 13900 into 1. That's all. 0.46 is the answer. 0.46 inch. A leak test is an alternative to inspection of buried piping. What is the minimum liquid pressure to adequately conduct this test? 10% greater than MAWP. For a single well material thickness over 0.7375 inch to 0.5 inch, what is the hole type designation for a source side penetrometer? The corresponding P number for SAP 414 grade A material is 1. So this is the inch and mm. You can just over 0.375 through 0.5. And what is the question? Point 0.375 to 0.5. That is, if you say this, 17. Source side. All type designation. Wire type designation, if there, it is 8. If you go for 8, then what you do? So 8 is there in the 2 set. So set B is 8. You have 8. So like that you have to find out. Give the corresponding P number 414 grade A material. You find it. Or just remember it. Find from section 9. 414 grade A. In class 1500 NPS for blind branch. What is the minimum thickness permitted? You have to calculate this. So this is Tm equal to dg root over 3p by 16 ACW. If ID is given, okay, ID is not given, you have to find out ID. This one, I think you don't have to calculate. You just go for the 1500 NPS flange. 1500 NPS flange. So flanges and 4-inch. So go for the thickness. Is 2.12. It is class 1500 and then 4-inch. Thickness, minimum thickness 2.12. For 1.5-inch thick carbon steel, what is the recommended preheat temperature? 1/4. Go for the preheat table. For carbon steel, greater than 1 inch. If carbon is more than 0.3, it is 200 Fahrenheit. There is 50 here, and there is the question is also not complete. So 200 is better. Determine the MAWP of the following piping system at the next inspection based on the following: design, pressure, temperature, pipe description. 20,000 will be 20,000. If you see each time, you can understand. Diameter 20 inch, 0.28, 0.025 years. 20,000, 1.28 minus 2 into the 0.02 into 5. That is 0.1. So you have 160 psi. A is the answer. With respect to category D service, what is the maximum allowable undercut for the branch connection? Less than equal to 1 by 32 inch, less than equal to 1 mm, both B and C. But the test pressure of a metallic piping system whose design temperature is above the test temperature using the following condition: NPS 6, A106B, 100 psi, 100 F. So pressure test is 1.5 ST. ST is the temperature at the test pressure. Sorry, the stress at test pressure and stress at design time. This is 20 divided by 11.4, not 20,000, because here also 11,400. Just you can cut it. 277 or 278 psi. Determine the MAWP of the following piping system at next inspection based on the following: 100 psig NPS6 EFW electrofusion welding, steam no radiography 6 5 by 8 inch 0.28 0.1 and 5 years. They find 13,000, so 2 into 13,000 into 0.8. The efficiency factor is welding efficiency is 0.8 and 280 minus 2 into 50 divided by 6.625 D. This 0.5 is 0.1 into 5. So MAWP 522 psi. 565, not there. It is not there. Should be 522. Impact testing of each form of material for any specification shall be done using procedure and apparatus in accordance with ASTM A370. Impact testing of each form of material at any specification shall be done using procedure and apparatus in accordance with ASTM A370. The AWS 5.1, what is the designation of cellulosic 7010 6010? They are cellulosic. Cellulosic means they are not they are self-burning characteristics. With respect to class 400 NPS 12 slip-on raise face flange, the edges of gasket do not extend to the bolt. What is the outside diameter of the gasket? 15. So class 400, see the table. You find NPS 12 on the diameter. Plus 412. This is 14. This is the pitch diameter. If you want an inch, after this. It's about 16.5. Diameter PCD. Pitch diameter only. Diameter, how much given? 14. Oh, NPS 12. So if you see NPS 12, so it is 12 if you go for like this. Plus 412, you go straight 15 PCD. Base metal P number 8 and the weld metal is A number 89 and the wall thickness is 1 inch. What is the hold time for heat treatment? Normally for SS we are not doing this. So none is the answer. This P number 8 is SS. And regularly furnished class 300 raise face flange. What is the height of the raise face? From class 300 have to go. What is the height of the raise face? It's 0.06. That is E. That is 0.06 inch. That is common for all. There is another point somewhere written. During welder qualification on 3 by 8-inch plate in the horizontal position, how many guided bend tests required? 3 by 8-inch is less than half inch. Two face bend, two red bend. When inspecting a class 3 system, what percentage of all suspected areas should be examined? 10%. A welder who tests a half-inch thick plate groove weld in 3G position is also qualified to weld when which other plate position. So 3G is vertical. So he can do flat and vertical. After hot bending and forming, heat treatment is required for which P numbers 3, 4, 5, 6, 10A. The piping system that operates at a design pressure of 100 psi 950 degrees Fahrenheit, originally built for NPS 20. %100 radiograph, so 1.5 wall, 516 grade 70, outside diameter. Thickness determined 0.370 inches. Observed corrosion at 0.009 inches per year and 5 years. 0.045. So 0.045 now estimated corrosion. So what they would do, 2 AC T in the place of T they will put T minus 2C. So in place where MAWP calculation 2 you have to use 2C, we have to minus. So MAWP is coming to 126 psi. Here is the answer. Can the inspection interval for the system in question 24 be increased to 8 years? The next planned inspection 8 years. The minus MAWP is 101.7. Can the inspection, okay, 8 years. They find MAWP 101.7. So design pressure is 100 psi, so it's okay. 101 psi. When the MAWP is calculated, the wall thickness used shall be actual thickness minus twice the estimated corrosion loss before the date of next inspection. When the base material is P1 and the weld metal is A1 and the wall thickness is 7/8, the holding time 11 to 1200 for heat treatment, 1 hour. So 1 hour is minimum PWST up to 1 inch. After 1 inch to change 15 minutes more for every inch. What is the required thickness of straight run pipe subjected to internal pressure only based on following condition? PD by 2ST. 216 into 14 divided by 2 into 1700, 200, 200.8, because it is electrofusion only. 0.11 is the answer. The radiograph of the normal fluid service piping weld revealed a crack. What is acceptable crack length if known? Geometric unsharpness of radiograph of a component under 2-inch thick shall not exceed 0.02 inch. What is the maximum Brinell base metal for P6 material? 241. The maximum holding time of inch thick material 1 hour. What is the working pressure of 150? What is the minimum holding time? That is 1 hour. What is the working pressure of 150? LB flange 350 LB, 350 grade LF6 CL1 used to at 400. But the minimum class flange that can be used if material is A351C grade C F8C temperature 950 degrees Fahrenheit and working pressure is 1930 psi. Let me stop here because